Today I will share how to make tiger claw scratch design with tiger head in Canva. So in the elements I will search here animal claw scratches mark isolated. Okay, and I will click on enter and go to graphics and click on see all, and you can find so many designs here. So I have chosen a design which I want to use in here, which is I will find in this recently used section. I click on see all and I will use this one. Okay, and it is fixed here, and then I will come back again and here I will search for tiger face, and this time I will go to photos and click on see all. So I will use this and just make it bigger. Okay, decrease the transparency so that I can check the design if it is working fine or not. So I will use it like this. Okay, and after that I will just increase the transparency and press Ctrl plus X to cut the image and click on add page to add it here. And after that download both the pages. Before that just change the title to tiger claw design. Okay, and after that click on share, click on download, make sure both the designs are in JPG. Okay, and make sure the quality is 100 and download both the pages. So when the downloading is done, just click on add page and just re-upload both the designs which you just created. Okay, keep it here and then come to apps here, and in here write blend image and use this blend image app. And for the bottom layer click on this one and click on use selected image. So for the top layer I will use this image, but before that make sure the blend mode is in screen. If it is not set to screen by default, make sure it is in screen and then use the top layer. So I will click on it now, click on use selected image, and the design is created as you can see in here. Now you just click on add to design here. But one thing I want to say, that if you want to make it a different color, currently is not possible because the background is still white. Let me show you here. So the background is still white as you can see, but to resolve that I will just click on BG remover and my work is ready. Okay, so after that if you want to make a sticker effect out of it, so I will go to edit here, scroll down to find shadows, click on outline, and for the size keep it to 25, and for the color change it to white, and your sticker effect is also ready as you can see. So if you want to download the design with the sticker effect, you can just click on share, click on download. You can either download it as JPG or PNG, but make sure you need to click on this transparent background option to get the sticker effect. If you want just the white background, you can use this JPG one and just download this image or a white background image. But if you want to make it a sticker effect, you have to make sure that you have downloaded it in transparent background option. Okay, so hope you like this design, and please subscribe to the channel for new and amazing designs like this. Thank you.